the tallest giants on Earth, the longest living organisms on the planet. These staggering planetary records all belong to a single botanical lineage, conifers. From gnarled dwarf pines defying scorched, barren soils to gargantuan sequoias weighing thousands of tons, their resilience is unmatched. This video breaks down the most extraordinary conifer species that redefine what it means to survive and thrive. Hit that subscribe button, buckle up, and let's get right into the video. Conifers are trees with needles or scale-like leaves. Their seeds grow inside woody cones. Most coniferous trees keep their foliage or needles all year long, which is why they are also known as evergreen trees. Cedar, pine, spruce, fir, cypress, and hemlock are all evergreen conifers. Many birds and animals use these trees for shelter and food. People use evergreens for shade, firewood, paper, lumber, Christmas trees, and garlands. Sitka spruce. This tall, thin evergreen can grow to 300 feet, 90 met or more. Named for the community of Sitka in southeast Alaska, this spruce is found along the western coast of Canada south to northern Oregon. The tallest tree in Canada is a Sitka spruce, the Carmina giant, at 315 feet, 96 met tall. These trees can live a long time. Some are more than 700 years old. Sitka spruce can grow quickly, so size is not a good indication of age. This tree plays a large role in the lumber industry and paper production. Western red cedar. Despite its name, this tree belongs to the cypress family and is not a true cedar. Native to western North America, it has been introduced to many temperate regions. It grows up to 230 feet, 70 met tall, and can live more than 1,000 years. One was recorded at 1,460 years old. Many Native American tribes have relied on this tree. The wood is used to build houses, totem poles, and a variety of other useful objects. Juniper. There are more than 50 species of juniper found throughout the northern hemisphere. Junipers vary in size and shape from tall trees up to 131 feet, 40 met, high, to low, spreading shrubs. The juniper berry is the female seed cone. These berries are sometimes used as a spice, and their flavor is added to some beers and liquors. For centuries, the juniper berry has been used medicinally. Bald cypress. This tree is common to the wet, saturated soils of the lowlands in the southeast and Gulf coastal plains of the United States. It grows up to 120 feet, 35 met tall, and is famous for the cypress knees that surround the main trunk. The tallest known specimen is located near Williamsburg, Virginia, and is 145 feet, 44 met tall. Giant sequoia. Also known as a giant redwood, this enormous tree can grow 279 feet, 85 met, high, and can weigh more than 6 tons, 5,500 metric tons. The giant sequoia can trace its ancestors back to the time of the dinosaurs, the Triassic period, 200 million years ago. Based on its ring count, the oldest known giant sequoia was 3,500 years old. Once a common tree species in North America and Europe, it is now found in the wild only in the western Sierra Nevada of California, where it enjoys the dry summers and snowy winters. The giant sequoia has been grown successfully as an ornamental tree in many regions. Douglas fir. Named for a Scottish botanist, this conifer is native to western North America and eastern Asia and is widely used for timber. Douglas firs may reach heights in excess of 295 feet, 90 met. The Douglas fir is one of the best timber trees and is often farmed for Christmas decor. Eastern white pine. This large pine once covered a great deal of north-central and northeastern North America, but logging took its toll, and few of these forests remain. These trees often live to 250 years, and some live to more than 400 years. The eastern white pine grows up to 188 feet, 57.3 met, tall. Between the ages of 15 and 45 years, it can grow up to 3.3 feet, 1 met, annually. Longleaf pine. Commonly found in the marshlands of southeastern United States, from Texas to Virginia and south into Florida, this tree reaches heights of up to 115 feet, 35 met. Longleaf pine forests are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including the gopher tortoise, brown-headed nuthatch, and the endangered red-cockaded woodpecker. Western hemlock. Native to the west coast and temperate rainforests of North America, the western hemlock is an important timber source. This conifer grows to 230 feet, 70 met, tall. Shade-tolerant, the western hemlock can be found under the canopy of the Sitka spruce or Douglas fir, but it sometimes outgrows the shade of the surrounding trees. Pygmy pitch pine. Pygmy pitch pines, or dwarf pines, rely on fires to reproduce. This small, twisted pine grows in eastern parts of North America. It generally reaches heights between 4 and 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 met, tall and thrives in very poor soil conditions. It is the primary tree of the New Jersey pine barrens.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.